So you can see I put these other two here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Fortunately, it goes nicely. So then Craftsman. Okay. Let's do Sorry. Okay, so that's that part. I'll tighten it up later. Okay, now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach the router. So we're gonna go with we're using the fixed plunge base. Okay, and there's a hole here somewhere. Okay, right there. Yeah, it's right here. It somehow came in. Okay. So when you put it in, just if you're using a Craftsman router, just make sure you press that button. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm stuffing it up. This went in earlier today. Oh, I had it. Make sure that make sure your lever here is open. Alright. Alright. There we go. Okay, this, for some reason, you don't want to make sure your switch. Make sure your switch is. Okay, good. Just want to make sure your switch is in the direction. Well, it doesn't matter because we're going to use this as the switch. Okay, so there. I set. I'm going to commence. Okay, I tighten that down. All right. So now the thing weighs a bit. It's probably easy to break your legs. Break the legs, so you want to be careful. Alright, so there you are. And then you want to plug everything in. This is going to be for the main router table. And this is for the router. I don't think these legs are strong enough to tilt like this, so I just caution against that. And you plug it in to your switch. Alright. So that's the router. And then router and the router cable. Now we're going to put the fence on. So what they recommend for the fence is you unscrew all these guys. Oh, what a pain. Take out these screws one by one. I don't know why they would tighten themselves so much. Okay, so wow. Okay, so then you're going to take your fence, you're going to put it up here like this. You're going to put your screws in from the bottom. You go through here, your washer, drop it, put your nut on. Yeah. That's interesting, the length of these two screws. Oh, wow. What are they thinking? I think what that means, that is unreal. What are they thinking? I wonder if this has been bought and returned. Sometimes you never know when you go to the store. People muck around. All these screws are different lengths. I don't know. I can't speak for... Something's up here. Also, there's a lot of play here. Okay, and there's little play here. So, whenever, just be careful whenever you buy something. So, there's a lot of idiots out there. Okay, so look at that. There's some idiot that so someone had purchased this. They put it together. They didn't like it or whatever, and they returned it. So that explains that. That's just unreal. And these are also different sizes, so I don't know. It's just bizarre. Alright. What I'm gonna do is unreal. Okay. We're just gonna go with the longer ones. So let's just check here. In the instructions for putting the fence on, it says to use one short round head square neck bolt and two long round head square neck bolts. Okay. For some reason they actually had designed it this way, so this little guy here, the short one here, does go like that. I find that weird. Why would they do that? What are they thinking? That's not gonna work. I'm just gonna go with the two longest. Okay, so that's the fence. And then we're going to do this part here. This is the guy that goes here. You want these fat ones. And one of these washers. It's fly nuts. So